Hey guys, we're going to continue our wine journey today. We're still in Italy. We're moving from the northeast to the northwest for a very special wine called Nebbiolo. This one's D'Alba. D'Alba is a province inside of Italy, right outside of Turin. So it's way up at the foothills of the Alps, which is providing a very unique climate for these grapes to grow. So in the name Nebbiolo, nebbia in Italian means fog. So it gives you kind of an idea of the climate. You know, if you think San Francisco with the fog, you wouldn't be too far off base. But these grapes are usually fairly expensive. They're used in Barolo and Barbaresco, which are like the major league red wines for that area. And those can, command 80, 90, 100 and up per bottle. So this guy here, so 2016, ran me $16, so I'm pretty excited to try it. What we're looking at is really a very, very nice description on the bottle, which is talking about violet and a dry taste. I also wanted to point out here that this is a DOC wine. I don't know if you could see that on there. So again, scanning that or looking up that label, they know what vineyard it came out of, when the grapes were picked, what bottle number this was in the filling process, how long it was open, and a bunch of other types of information to protect that area in these grapes. What is really fairly unique about this type of Nebbiolo is it's not Barolo. Barolo is the king of Italian red wines, if you ask many people. And again, quite a bit more expensive. Nebbiolo and affordable are usually never in the same sentence. Today it is, which is nice. But the difference between this and the Barolo is actually where it's grown and how long it's aged. So the grape is the same, it's just grown in a different area. So it's not grown in the Barolo wine region, which is protected. That would make this a DOCG, which is the highest level of classification. So this is the main tier. We're right on the outskirts there. It should not impact our experience much. So let's go ahead, let's open this thing up, find out what we got. Oh, there we go, it's off. No problems there. Get this cork going here. Yeah. There we go. Perfect. A nice little pop. Very nice cork here. It's not dry. Yeah, I do smell violet. Oh, very nice. All right, so there we go. There's no other branding on here. Well, let's get to why we all came here. Yeah. You can see it's a ruby color. Very, very nice. It has a very intense smell. It's almost crisp, I guess is a good term for it. Again, here we'll look, we have a very nice alcohol ring. The color is very nice. Looks like it's going to probably be medium bodied. It's a little bit lighter. This is an outstanding wine for $15. The first thing that hits you really is like a spice. I want to say maybe you could taste the violet, but it's very dry. It's very crisp. It has a dark fruit. It's more of very intense, and I think it's actually smoky, which is nice. I mean, it doesn't have that heavy wood oak scent, but it's a really, really refreshing red wine. And for under 20 bucks, you can't go wrong. I found this at Total Wine. You could probably find it in other retailers near you if you don't have the Total Wine. But I would definitely check this out. This is a great summer red. Lamb, again, pasta. Yeah, this would do quite well. Enjoy.